Ever wondered how money actually flows through an economy? From your salary to the banks, to the government, to businesses, it's all connected. In this video, we'll break it down in simple terms, with flowcharts, diagrams, and no jargon. Let's dive in. The economic players. There are four major players in any economy. Households, that's us, the consumers. Businesses, producers of goods and services. Government collects taxes and provides public services. Banks, intermediaries that manage money and credit. Let's see how money flows between them. The circular flow. Imagine a big circle. Here's how the flow works. Households provide labor to businesses. Businesses pay wages to households. Households spend on goods, services. Businesses earn revenue and reinvest. Meanwhile, households save money in banks. Banks lend to businesses and individuals. Government taxes households and businesses. In return, it provides services and subsidies. This flow keeps the economy moving. Government spending and taxes. The government collects income tax, corporate tax, and sales tax. It spends this money on infrastructure, education, health care, defense. This spending creates jobs and boosts economic demand, which keeps businesses running and people employed. Role of banks. Banks are the heart of money flow. You deposit $1,000. The bank keeps a small reserve. It lends out the rest to someone else, say, for a car or business. That borrower spends it, and the money re-enters the economy. This process is called credit creation, and it's vital for economic growth. The central bank and money supply. The central bank controls the money supply and interest rates. It does this by setting the base interest rate, printing money or using digital liquidity, buying, selling bonds. Lower interest rates is equal to more borrowing is equal to more spending. Higher rates is equal to less borrowing is equal to slowed economy. Inflation and deflation. Too much money chasing too few goods? That's inflation. Too little money? That's deflation. Governments and central banks try to keep it balanced, usually targeting 2% inflation per year. How you fit in. You are a crucial part of this system. You earn income through jobs. You spend on needs and wants. You save or invest. You pay taxes. Where you put your money, bank, stocks, or spending, has a ripple effect. That's how economies grow or shrink. Bonus tips to manage your role. Here are 3 quick tips to play your role wisely. Spend consciously. Every dollar is a vote in the economy. Save regularly. It strengthens banks and your future. Invest smartly. Helps businesses grow and builds wealth. Remember, personal finance fuels the bigger economic engine. Now you know how money flows in the economy, from your paycheck to national growth. If you found this visual guide helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below with your questions. See you in the next video.